Hello everyone, my name is Rocky and I'm from UP, and guys, this is day 24 of the series and let's learn English. Guys, this is the confidence building series in English speaking. So in this series I will focus on improving my speaking confidence, and I also focusing on to improve my English speaking skills. Okay, and nowadays what I am learning in this series. Okay, so I just let you know that like how I'm learning this. I'm reading books, and which is I have already shared with you in my previous video. So I'm reading that book and I'm learning. I'm learning phrases, verbs. Okay, phrases, verbs, vocabulary. These are things I'm learning, and I'm also doing English writing practice and as well as English reading practice also. Okay, so whatever I'm learning, I just want to share with you all how I'm doing this speaking practice. So, which are the English learner, they can also understand like how they can do English speaking practice. Okay, so because most of the beginners seems confused sometimes, like how to do English speaking practice, what to learn, and how to improve further. So at least they will get the idea how they can do English speaking practice and how they can improve their English. So the purpose of sharing my this journey, I just want to help those people which are feel confused or stuck in English learning series. So yes, if I'm putting my effort, I just thought that. If it helps to few people also, this will be a lot for me. And okay, so one more thing I just uh, want to tell you all that I'm learning more things to improve my English, and I want to share that with you also. Guys, I want little help from you all, guys, okay, from my all the community and from my all the viewers. I just want a little help from you. Okay, so I'm learning English and I'm improving it. So, like I am learning and I am want to share that how I am doing English speaking practice. Okay, so I just want to know from you guys, so what is your suggestion in it, how I can share that with you, like in the form of blog videos or in the form of practice videos. Okay, like in practice videos, what I will do, whatever I'm learning, I can show you that how I am, like which are the phrases I'm learning, which are the vocabulary I'm learning, and how I'm doing writing practice, how I am writing it down, how I'm making notes of English. Okay, so yes, you all get to know in practice video. So all you guys just tell me in the comment section like how I share all the things which I'm learning in this series. In like you just tell me I share that in the form of video, like in the blog form of videos or in the practice type of videos. Okay, because in my community there are also the viewers which like my content, like watching my content, so I just want to know from them this videos in the form of blog or in the form of practice videos, English speaking practice videos. Okay, so just tell me in the comment section so I will get the clarity how I can move further with this series. Okay, so just make it clear for me, guys, and just tell me this. And yes, whatever I'm learning I will share you with you all. So if you are also learning English and if you are an English learner, it will really gonna help you so much. So keep learning and be the part of this series. And I think that if this series will help you to few English learners, that will be so much for me. Because if I'm putting my effort, or anyone if put their effort, if they help even for few people also, that's become so much, by putting their effort. If it's help to other people to learn, to improve, or to do something good in their life by putting your effort, then yes, it's really he means a lot, right? So yes, guys, so this for today. Hey, and I will meet you in the another video. So if you're an English learner, do subscribe the channel and be the part of this journey, and keep learning and keep improving in English. Bye bye.